Okay, now let's talk about the basic string operations. In our Python project, I will create a new Python file and I will name it string operations. Python provides a range of operations and methods to manipulate and work with strings. And here are a few basic operations. The first operation is string concatenation. I will define two string variables. The second string. And by using plus operator, I can combine these two strings. Okay, let's run our Python file. And yes, in console I can see hello world, which is a combination of two strings that I have just defined. At the beginning of this string, I can also print the name of our operation. Okay, let's run our Python script again. And yes, I can see string concatenation hello world. Okay, before I will show you another operation, I will define another string variable. And now I want to talk about string repetition. This operation is used to repeat the string a certain number of times. Print star3 asterisk 3. Okay, let's run our script again. And yes, I can see that hello world was repeated 3 times. Another operation is string indexing. This operation is used to access a specific character in string. And please remember that the first character in Python is 0. And now I want to access the 7th element. Okay, let's run our Python script. Okay, I can see an error because I used a wrong variable. I just wanted to use the str3. Okay, let's correct our Python script. And let's run it again. And yes, I can see that the 7th element of our string is W. Another very useful string operation is string slicing. This operation is used to get a slice or a range of characters from a string. Okay, let's try from string number 3 get the hello phrase. str3. And I want to start from the first element, which is 0, and I want to get the first 5 characters. Okay, let's try to run our Python script. And yes, we can see that I've got first 5 characters, hello. Another very useful string operation is string length. The len function is used to get the length of a string. Print, and I can access this method by putting len. We can see the method definition, and I want to get the length of our str3 variable. Okay, let's print it. And yes, I can see that hello world contains 14 characters. Okay, now let's talk about some string methods. Python includes several built-in methods for string manipulation, such as lower, upper, split, replace. Okay, let's see it in practice. str3 upper, print str3 lower, print str3 replace, and I want to replace H with J. Print. And the last method is split. Okay, let's run our script. And yes, I can see that the upper method print hello world by using capital letters. Lower method is used to convert a string into lowercase. Replace method is used to replace characters in our string. So in our example, I replace H with J letter, which is hello world. And the last method, split, is used to return a list of the words in the string using a separator as the delimiter string. And in our example, I've got two separated string, which is hello and world. With these basic operations, you can manipulate strings to fit the needs of your Python program. Remember, practice is a key to mastering any concept, so make sure to try this operation in your Python environment.